back to our channel. It's your girls,
Yannick
and Shelly,
and we're back
with another bang video. It's so awesome to have you guys back this week. So before we get into anything, please go ahead and like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. Yes, go like, comment, and subscribe to our channel, and turn on your post notification button so whenever we post you get notified. And in the meanwhile, I want to jump over to our social and follow me on Instagram at Shelly Lisa B and on Facebook at Shelly Lisa. And please go ahead and follow my business page. That's at Forever Thoughts. That's my baby. I cater to kids. I sell all the nice, trendy, affordable, and nice pieces for kids, both and girls. So go ahead and check it out. We'll be launching on November the 1st. I'm so excited. So check out for the snippets of the stock coming in this week.
Follow me on Instagram at Queen Yan Brown and on Facebook at Yannick Brown. Yes, and on TikTok at Yannick Brown 8.
Yeah, she get unbanned.
But
yeah, the unbanner. TikTok unbanner.
Alright,
so anyways, let's jump right into this video. As you can see on the screen, we're doing the Jamaican version of Smash, Kill, or Married. Are you guys excited? We did the as I call it, say the foreign version last week. So this is after the yardies, the real yardies. So she'll kick it off, you know. So
as always,
like always. So give me a first three.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
Let's just start this off.
Alright. So the three first person out, you see Asaf and Blake. Choose.
You seen Asaf and you and Blake.
Which one is married?
Which one is smash, married, and kill? Alright, first let me start off. Me not like me kill Asafa. Off the bat. Me don't know.
You don't like him?
No sir. Not my cup of tea. Asafa, you're dead. You're gone. Show you. Me know me kill you.
Alright.
Me kill Asafa. Boy. Me not lie, you know.
You want to look good, you know?
You want to look good, you know? And since the boy treat me, boy turn up, you know. Boy turn up, you know.
Alright.
Oh, thing too sharp, man. No, man. Me just a smash. You want to just 1 minute kind shot. Me can't walk with him on the road. So I smash you and make him go on and just marry this. Me nice thing you saying. Who don't want to marry this saying? You saying get ans. I won't say it, but
I know.
You say thing I turn up.
You get what?
You saying like him a beard now.
Beard. Oh,
he look nice.
Like my beard.
Yeah.
That's alright.
He have a buzz, man. He have a buzz now. No, you say have a buzz. But I'm married this way.
I love you saying anyways. You may have for the time ask me, no?
Oh, Mira.
Yes,
my turn. Alright.
You say mash up your head.
You say mash up my minds. Alright. Anyways, my first one is Beanie Man, Vibes Cartel, or Movado.
So mine is alright. Who me that kill? Movado dead.
I kill Movado?
Yes.
Like dead. Gully got dead.
Good dead.
You know
gully people
they want to gully.
Reason being because me like Movado no, but a long time you don't really sing from him.
So you're married if they song now?
No, but you know like Cartel no, Cartel I'm a G. Cartel is the OG. Me okay, me married Cartel.
You're married Vibes Cartel.
Me married and Beanie Man, yeah, get smashed. So imagine how big belly are together.
Alright, so she said she go. What you said with Vibes Cartel?
Married Vibes Cartel, kill Movado, smash the one named Beanie Man.
Yeah, smash Beanie Man.
Yeah, what smash Beanie Man with the big belly? Me not care.
Really? In for the crystal?
Who name so? See, me know who name so.
Eh?
We don't care. We don't keep woman in name now head.
Okay. You're busy woman they just smash him and go on.
Exact. Smash it. Just smash him. Alright. My one now. So me have Ding Dang Ravers. And then me have Dexter Up. And Conscience.
Ding Dang. Dexter.
And Conscience.
Dexter dead. Me kill Dexter.
Why?
Yeah. He sang them nice and a bag of things and he make you want go and do the things, but they kill Dexter.
But why?
Because they was say Dexter, but you know have a buzz to me.
You have a when you say have a buzz, if you do things when you say
Me realize, you know, I be a song here there with them fine now. And then song here there with them fine.
And then looks.
Listen.
And then charm sometimes.
Me kill Dexter.
Dexter
gone.
What I even say for poison? If the oh, never mind.
Just poison.
The boil of him belly just
poison.
yes, alright. Okay, so
breaking news. But Dexter dead. But
also I kill Dexter.
Mm-hmm.
So ding dong and conscience between.
Why? No? Hey. Conscience me you know say conscience should kill cam. Oh, me see conscience deal on YouTube him should kill it now.
Oh, the same girl?
Yeah, oh me see conscience go on YouTube over there. Me not him.
You mean when up
Oh,
on
go on in the video. Him should kill
like
it
you
now.
don't care, like you don't sound get you away?
She just killing me now. No man, me kill.
Maybe
Revive Dexter for me.
CPR.
Give more to mouth.
Resuscitate.
Yeah man, give more to mouth. Dexter, bring back Dexter for me.
Alright, Dexter come back. You're undead.
Kill conscience.
Alright, conscience dead.
Conscience dead. Me a smash Dexter. I can sing, but as I say, not sing, but me a smash Dexter.
And then ding dong, you marry ding dong.
Me for marry ding dong. Hey.
You love ding dong?
Yeah. Me a be Shelly Ravers. Shelly Ravers. When me done me a big dancer.
Go on with the road.
Shelly Ravers. Shelly Ravers.
So Rivers, man.
Shelly, you know Rivers.
You know so they dance so make you get up. Imagine.
Hey. Shelly Ravers. Shelly Ravers. Any Ravers.
Why give us a Shelly Ravers?
Any I saw the dancer they name that ding that Ravers they name say you have Disha Raver.
So you want Shelly Ravers for?
Me run Raver.
But why you keep on Shelly Ravers? Which was Shelly. Let me ask you.
Me run Ravers.
Yeah, run Ravers, but what about Shelly?
So Shelly.
Oh, Shelly Ravers, you! I think I want Shelly. When you run Ravers, you have Shelly.
Me, Shelly Ravers.
Oh, Shelly Ravers. Oh,
Shelly Ravers. Yan Ravers.
Alright, we're done. Alright, your turn now.
My turn now. The dancing stop. Hey, the dancing.
Good thing then.
The good thing there.
Hey. And the good thing there.
Hey, dig down. Alright. My one now. Yellow Man.
Vocation.
Gully Bop.
Me done.
Ninja Man.
It's not coming like wrong turn. It's coming just like the wrong turn business. Why you do me like that?
Yellow Man. Gully Bop and Ninja Man. Yeah, which one you are married?
Yeah, you
which
don't
one
back
you
then.
not get what now? You not get what this week. You have to answer.
Well, alright, I'm listening. Gully Bop dead after Gully Bop dead.
We say no one
We gonna mash up my life, ready.
You know what we say no, you don't wanna go in on Gully Water.
No Gully Water, no Gully Bop.
Okay,
no
so tell
Gully
me which
Bop,
one you
no
go
time.
married. Me wanna know what your husband now?
What can I
Yellow
say?
Man.
Yellow Man are
Ninja Man.
But
Yellow Man or Ninja Man, you have to
What's
answer
up,
one. You nah go get out that one here. Or Yellow Man. You smash, which one you smash? Eeny, meeny, miny, moe, ketchup.
Yellow Man or Ninja Man?
Yes, which one you married?
You know, I'm married Yellow Man though.
You know what Yellow Man?
I know Yellow Man, he white up man and he look weird. He look like he have, what you call it, albino, like an albino.
You don't marry Yellow Man?
Yeah, look better than Ninja Man. That's well. He rather marry not marry Ninja Man, not a backside.
No, hey. Ninja, me
Show
think
me.
say. No, you don't know Yellow Man? You don't know
Me
who is
know
Yellow
him
Man?
albino, no?
Yeah, but you know who is Yellow Man?
Yes.
When I see Yellow Man?
I never see him in person.
You never seen picture yet?
Mm-hmm.
I say your mama and my Yellow Man.
No, come to some video sometime, like some music video.
Okay.
Oh shit.
You don't take
No, me not. I'm married him, me not want to tell you. Rather take Gully. Rather take Gully, man. Rather take Gully.
Listen, you don't say married man, you know.
No.
That can't change.
Alright, shit.
No, you married him.
Ninja man, really.
No.
Alright,
You
give me
know
Ninja Man. Remember Ninja Man. Remember Ninja
You
Man.
just let me say,
No.
I rather marry Ninja Man over Yellow Man. And him me a married, me
No.
don't, hey, your husband.
Ninja Man me a married.
What me say?
Smash.
Hello? Yellow Man. Hey, come and get your wife.
No, me not married him. Me a married him.
You don't say.
Ninja Man smash him and then kill back. That's it. Me don't talk. Me don't talk.
We say.
Smash. I'm ready to smash him never smash.
I am married with Ninja Man.
Me a married
I wake up to Ninja Man every morning.
Every morning. Every morning. Good morning, baby. How are you?
Okay,
Hope you slept well. That's it. Alright, zero question now. Trabas, Susan, the guy who come to Susan, what name?
Prince.
Prince or Lucy Berry?
Alright. Um,
Trabas, Prince, Lucy Berry.
me I kill Prince.
Why?
Because me no want Susan come fight me. No, I rather me I kill Prince.
Okay,
I can't bother the argument with Susan. Prince
okay.
dead.
Okay. And Trabas and Lucy Berry?
Me smash Dirty Berry and hurt up him head.
Lucy Berry can start still, you know?
Yeah, man, but me smash my hurt up him head.
Alright, and then,
It I be a cut down, you know. Me can make a top 10 about it.
and then Trabas?
I must married. So
Yeah,
mine
food.
are Bounty Killer, Tanto Blocks, or Alkaline.
Tanto
Tanto.
or a phone card something.
Mm-hmm.
So Tanto,
Mm-hmm.
what again? Alka?
Alkaline or Bounty Killer.
What Alka? I love alkaline. Me married alkaline.
You married Alka?
Me married alkaline. Me love alkaline. Tanto me a kill Bounty, me no care. And Tanto me a smash her.
What? You say
Because she said if it Tanto is a fun person with their own. Me no kill him.
you say I kill Bounty?
Bounty dead man.
You don't want the hammer down?
Me no want the hammer. Me no want the hammer, I swear. But like Tanto, when you run Tanto, you get a little nice good vibes. And we sing a little nice good song and in good. Me like him. Me like his vibes.
Mm-hmm. You like it with a finger?
Me like him. You know what?
Mm-hmm. We call it Twitter. We say
Twitter,
Bluetooth.
Yeah. Yes, me like that one there.
Mhm.
Yes, I'm gonna smash him, married
Mhm.
alka, I love alkaline, understand?
Mm-hmm.
So, yes.
You want real rich?
Real rich. I'm asking this, I'm asking one female one now. So, female one
Oh,
is,
God.
she said, I want female one put in there.
Go ahead. I mean,
But I put the three, I got them a Jamaican, you know.
Mm-hmm.
I put Shensi, Spice, Aishana.
But no, the one competition is. What you say?
Put all of the good as them in there.
Shensia, me fi kill one.
Yeah, I have to kill one of them. One of them have to dead. So Spice,
Oh,
Shensi, and Aishana.
Boy, me can't.
But let's not put one female. I'm just put one female. Then put them all female.
Me can't kill Aishana.
You can't kill Aishana.
Aishana start body can good.
That's true. But you all them body thank good. Where's that one?
Aishana. Nice.
But all of them body still.
It's my
Spice
married.
are the OG.
Me a married Aishana. Me love Aishana. Me married Aishana.
Really?
Yes.
So you married Aishi.
Yes.
You can get him son name Aishi.
Me a smash Spice. Hey, Spice.
Spicy. And then you kill
All that
Shensi.
chocolate skin spice still good.
So
man. Yeah.
So you want to kill Shensi?
I come have to kill one. So you want me kill Aishana?
Yeah.
No. Me not kill Aishana. Me not kill
Kill
her.
Aishana and lift Shensi.
No man. No, me not lift.
Shut up,
Aisha,
married.
you take Shensi and married her.
Me no want. They don't even married, but me wanna kill Shensi. Period.
So, okay, so what me do? Married Shensi.
Alright, let me
and
tell you
kill
for
Aisha.
me that married Shensi, kill Aisha and smash Spice.
No, I want married Aishana.
Me not
My
kill.
preference and your preference is two different preferences.
Apparently.
Yes. It's Skilly Ben.
Him Skilly Bang.
You know Skilly Ben?
Skilly Bang, Skilly Bang.
One artist. You know Intense. The Margaret boy. You know Intense. You don't know, alright, me go show you them because I don't know them.
If me know who else, tell me next person.
And Jamaican Michael Jackson. Let me show you. Yeah, so you know
Girl,
Jamaican.
them a faint. I want them to go stop. Girl, them a faint. I want them to stop. No, sir. I want someone else to upset my spirit, so. Even
It's
though
a
me-
Intense.
What I gotta do with favor Amari. You know if you're Amari for you? When you tattoo right there, so.
No, me don't.
You get it, married son.
That's a skillibing here.
Skillibing, skillibing, skillibing.
It's skillibing, it's skillibing.
So, Jamaica Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Skillibing and him. Him, I married brother who dead. His son
Wait,
was dead.
you like a tattoo?
No. I'm married, man. So, him dead. You know, so I don't like a boy there. I don't like him.
Oh.
Alright, yeah, kill Michael Jackson. The Jamaican Jackson, because I can't stand him. Not the one bone that was somebody. Married, the last one you showed me, when him Skillibang. Smash the other one.
Yes.
Sanjay, you know, Sanjay come from. Sanjay, the interview like
You don't have to tell me because I love Sanjay. Me I married him. Me no business who come
yeah,
after
Sanjay. Oh, you
Sanjay.
got this picture again.
Sanjay, me no business who come after Sanjay. Hey, Mr. Sanjay, I want audition in Sanjay. Me not like Sanjay.
You look good.
You have a buzz.
Son.
You have a Sanjay still good. Sanjay have a buzz. Me I married him a fire, but I never asked him nothing more about Sanjay. Who else did it? Anybody else no business? Me I smash Sean Paul done.
Shaggy.
Me wrote it no. Rewind. No, we will not come again. We say
Sanjay, Shaggy, and.
sorry Sanjay, but me for marry Shaggy.
Burn so. You never no news. You want to tell me the news?
Breadfruit, me a breadfruit, leave me alone.
Breadfruit. You want breadfruit?
Me a breadfruit, easy with third. Hey.
No, Sanjay, no, Sanjay, nobody else.
Listen.
Nobody else. Don't want to tell me no this from doing Sanjay. Shaggy.
Me for Maggie
Wait. Sanjay, sorry, Sanjay. Like, seriously?
Listen, me happy married Shaggy. Me Sanjay, me a moving on Alco State. Me just smash you and then go. Me probably smash you more one time, but me just smash you. And then me kill Champa. Yeah. Aloysius. In a lunatic.
Okay.
Aloysius him.
Aloysius anyways.
Say the other man.
I'm not hearing him man like a rod. So Aloysius, what can I say?
Carl. And
this is Madeleine, the last person.
this contractor man.
Him a dead. Chat too much. She saying chat too much, I swear.
Yeah, it's hosting every good week.
Him chat too much. Him dead after that.
Yeah, kill him.
Me marry Aloysius. And smash the next guy.
Yeah, nee.
I don't look like, but I just want to smash him.
Yeah, kill
Aloysius nice.
yeah, see me here, the call here.
You see me, I go kill him. Me want him.
You want him?
Yeah, he want to smash him. Like,
I am married.
Aloysius, me married Aloysius, smash him and kill the chatterbox.
You really are married Aloysius, any?
Yeah. How about we both answer this one?
Alright. Alright, let me see which one I can ask. Riding King, Massacre.
Yeah, say some name, I'm not even know.
Riding King, Massacre, and Sean Paul.
What the hell is Massacre and Riding King?
You know Massacre?
No.
So where you live?
What you?
No. What you foreign? Because in Jamaica you will live.
Far in Jamaica.
Yeah.
Far in.
You know a cave?
Right here, so.
A bush.
Right here, so.
Mm-hmm.
You know them.
No, I don't know
Massacre.
Massacre, yeah. You know Massacre?
I see him before, but I don't know him as a person. Like,
Who know?
Listen to what I'm saying, no, man. I don't know him as a person. We say if I say name, you ring a bell. You understand me? I say.
You know Riding King?
She same thing with him. I don't know him, but if you tell me him, that if I go ring a bell to me, but if you show me him, maybe me look and me see him 1 and 2 times. You understand what I say? I live here.
Where's here?
Yes, so Jamaica, Ochi, Reyes. Right
Where?
here, so. Right here, so.
You sure?
Yeah.
You live at Ochi?
You live right here, so.
And you don't know Massacre?
Live right. I don't know Massacre, I don't know Riding King. I hear the names.
know?
I heard the names. I know Conscience, I know Usain Bolt, I know Ding Dong, I know Beanie Man, I know Puji Banton. I need people. Live right here, so I just know them.
You're not married Bujo?
No.
You're not smash him?
No.
You're not kill him?
No.
None of them?
No, not all. Invincible.
You're not married? You're not to do with the Dangagan?
Who names so?
Bujo? Which one?
Which one no? You
You
just tell
answer the
me.
question.
No, just tell you.
You say you answer about Massacre, Riding King, or Sean Paul.
Oh, Sean Paul. I want to marry Sean Paul. I love Sean Paul. Massacre is Massacre. Which one am I get Massacre? The first one you show me?
Yes.
What like again? Ooh, I like him cute.
Surprisingly, because they always like the lighter skins.
I know. So I like the brown one. Before not the brown one, the massacre name, right? Massacre. I like massacre.
You should get excited with that woman. Watch her.
But I killed the last one. The last one, I killed him. He bleached too much. He bleached too much. Like Shampoo, so we're gonna no more murder one. Them was my Shampoo, more kill him.
I pay no mind. Our body get fiery.
But that's nice because they wanted in cute. Talk cute, in cute.
Massacre. Massacre have a buzz, man.
In cute, man. But
I'm married Massacre.
You don't want to ear
so that smash Shampoo.
I don't want to ear so that turn
or anything after dead.
After dead. She said earstyle. In female is like kind of competition. You see earstyle. Female style gone, so mine are gone. So what is?
What are those?
You can't look like breadfruit and you look like palm tree. Come. Come. Ready.
And that's the end of our Jamaican version of Smash, Married, or Kill. Thank you guys so much for tuning in this week, and please remember to tune in on every Sunday because we release a video every single Sunday.
Other than the one before the one day.
So go down below, comment and tell us which video you like to see us do next. And please remember to go and like, comment and subscribe to our channel, and go ahead and watch our previous video and like and comment and leave a comment on those as well. And please remember to share. Go ahead and tell a friend, if you tell a friend, if you tell a neighbor, if you tell him uncle and him auntie and him brother, sister, pitney, daughter. Hear that? Yes, spread the word.
Spread the word like a
yes. Like, comment, subscribe.
Subscribe.
Tell all your family,
all of them,
your friends,
all
your
of
neighbor,
them.
The chicken, the cow,
it's a whole
the drunk, everybody, the bull cow.
So don't have to do anything.
Tell everybody, even ants, mosquito. You know, better yet, tell the mosquito you reach faster. Spread the word. Like, comment, and subscribe. And we're out. See you guys next week.